You can't see them. Tiny dust particles, hidden bacteria, and airborne viruses. They travel through the air, straight into your bird's lungs. Once infection starts, breathing becomes harder. Feed intake drops, growth slows down, and your flock suffers. That's why smart farmers don't wait for symptoms. They protect before infection begins with VarahVet Respiratory Disinfection and Solution. Disinfects airways and fights infection naturally. Its eucalyptus-rich formula clears mucus, controls bacteria, and supports immunity. Keep your flock active, healthy, and strong. Because when they breathe better, they live better. Stop infection before it starts. VarahVet Respiratory, Disinfection and Solution. Every breath protected.